Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Yo guys, today I'm so freaking so excited. Yo, we actually there's some part of Portland where Yo, first of all, let the man just introduce what going on. We have young studs, aka hot chef, that they call themselves.
Yeah, hot chef in that
so you actually invite me out here to Portland. Been a long time make this whole inviting about, but there now, you know. Yeah, man, so we're gonna be running a boat today. What exactly you running off?
Alright, you see today we are gonna do some real Jamaican cooking. We're coming with something unique today. We never want to say it on camera right now. Ackee and saltfish, but we're not say it yet. Watch the video to the end. You will see what I go on.
Yo,
we have some barracuda where we fry.
Barracuda we fry up on thing?
Alright. Yeah, man, when Jamaican fried dumpling, that in it hot. Hot. Alright.
Say them, chef.
And then over here, so we have Jessie, ain't it? Yo, here, I watch a couple of her videos. I'll drop the link in the description and all that. Yo, I watch one video with you here, always smiling. I feel a bubbly personality already, my G. It did it. All right.
Yeah.
So she said she has sous chef today. Yeah. And guess what? I'm a professional taster. I'll be eating this food today and just having a whole vibe. Yo, so what's going to happen is that Jessie and I are going to actually be doing the trek through the waters, all them something there. And you don't know, young studs. And the boss, yo, what the boss name again? Chris. Chris is gonna be our tour guide today. So them will carry all the heavy load and stuff and I do all the work. So make sure you go over to them channel, drop a like on the video because today is gonna be epic. Yo, I'm excited. And Vanilla, come. Vanilla, you gonna pick orange? Vanilla.
Come, Vanilla.
Come. Good girl. Hey, Vanilla is here. You don't know the things that already. Let's do it.
Machine for that.
What you not say?
So on go on, however on comfortable, on hook on, so go on, however on comfortable. See? So now Jamaica, you know it's something go with ladies before gentlemen. So you have
thank you, Jesus.
Well,
when you're ready.
I
want to say it.
You can hold my weight.
Yeah, man, just tell me when you're ready when we start up. And
look at it.
I'll just say my last prayer because
wow.
I don't know.
Ready?
Yeah.
You're sure?
She can't go in there? She can't go in there?
Jane.
What she do? Go in there?
I know what you're saying.
Thank you, Jesus. Can I...
Woo! This is just to transport them banana business. So it's a farmer thing. They use it transport them banana and them jelly business from over there so come across. So I'm really funny. You're mad the Jamaican now for this man. Yo.
This is a guy like it's a person type of thing and I just like...
Man, the Jamaican.
I'm trying to realize that's something, you know. Banana. Like come on you want go. Yeah. I'm sorry.
He said, oh. Come on, go home.
So excited.
So excited, guys. Drop in the comments what is your favorite parish. For me, definitely love Portland because it's so untouched and like the environment is just so chill and the water. Yo, I can literally see straight to the bottom of the water right now. It's ridiculous, yo. Just so you know. I'll try to drop a couple videos of, you know, Blue Lagoon videos that I went to. If you guys have never been to the Blue Lagoon or Sea Cliff Hotel, one of those cool spots, I'll try to drop in the video so you guys can check them out. This is dumb beautiful. Like if we stopped right here and just started cooking, I wouldn't even mind. Yo, look at the water, guys. Look at this beautiful water. Finally, you see that? You want water? Jeez. Whoa. The rocks are super slippery. I wasn't too aware of where exactly we were going. That's where we had an adventure. So I'm in Crocs. I mean, Crocs are like super everything, but I can do it. Okay, so Jessie's throwing on her warm suit or wetsuit.
Yeah, the
Huh? Water. Oh. Whew. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we made it through that part, yeah. Alright, time to throw the crops in the sports mode. Sports mode activated. Alright, we're good. Woo! Oh my god, I left my dog. I'm sorry, baby. I got Vanilla, guys. I know you guys love seeing her on the adventures, but I told myself this, that everything I do this year, my dog, whichever one is with me, will experience it too. Not sure, make it. Yeah. No, goodbye, Gemma. If you like when Vanilla's on the adventures, drop a like on the video, leave a comment of your favorite Vanilla moment. Come. Oh, you chose the high ground, girl. Come on. It's like having a child. Yeah, I got you again. Let's go. Vanilla, this is the part where you're gonna have to swim. Come on. Go. Hey. Whew. All right. I said just to go in the water, so I mean, why not, yo? Let's just do it. Woo. Come, Vanilla. All right. So, took that nice to swim. Ready again? here is deeper. Go. Nice. This is so exciting. It's like you wouldn't even understand. So cool. Yo, this is literally training for one day. If I ever have kids, like ridiculous, yo. You don't know, whenever I have kids, like they're gonna have to take trips with me. So yeah, one of them things. But just gone ahead and I'ma go across. I'm gonna take a short little swim. So, just a quick bit about Jessie, right? Did a little bit of research, because you're super athletic, you're holding the dog and you're just stretching across the rocks and stuff like that.
Yes.
What exactly, like, what's your background?
Alright, my background is I'm a martial artist.
You hear that?
My sport.
Boy, I get beat up.
Yeah, for years and years I was fighting for the Swiss national team. I'm European champion and so on and so on. I've been fighting for Jamaica as well, I think.
Okay.
And yeah, got qualified for the Pan Am first time ever for Jamaica in karate. Yeah,
nice.
That was nice. And so yeah, so when I'm not diving or hiking, I'm kicking.
Another beautiful pool right here, and we're close to destination. Young Sud somewhere up there, so somewhere up there. You might not be able to see him, but he's there. What about for run? Yo, bye. It's a little bit deep here, but it's good. Always find it so cool that there's always like some footholds here. That's the reach though. Crazy. It is so beautiful. Alright, so you have a choice. You can walk around and be boring, or you can just swim across the this expanse, yo. I think I'm gonna swim across. Yeah, I have to check out my Crocs, so I think my Crocs are gonna hold me down. Yep. Yo, big up Young Touch family, up. Come across, Jesse, where you going? Let's see how deep it is. It's pretty, no, it's deep. It's pretty deep.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say it's too late. Not even a promise game. I'm already on my way.
That's the nicest spot. So Studs, I have a question. Which one you find to be a better coconut, Zine? You rather when the coconut blend up or greater? Or make a difference?
Well, most people say the greater one get better juice out of it as in more coconut liquid.
Yeah.
But to me, it don't make a difference.
No
Just
difference.
When I blend it, it just have to just know how much liquid they use now.
Alright. So organic coconut or powdered coconut milk, which one?
Organic, all the way.
All the way.
All the way.
All the way.
Organic, get away. Get away.
Alright, so we're gonna learn something today. You notice, you don't know, in our outdoor cooking, sometimes you forget stuff. Because there's a whole heap of stuff you have to bring. And today you say you forget the what?
Strainer.
You forget the strainer. How you gonna solve that problem? then?
Worries. See strainer, yeah?
Wow. Yo, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. So, Chris, they over here, so. Chris, I go look on the aki them. You understand? And make sure say them no cook out too much. And thing waiting. They
I
look
can
good.
you this, yeah?
Them ready, man.
Them that.
Yeah, they are ready. And we have El Sous Chef. If you don't know who the sous chef is, the sous chef is the second in command inside the kitchen. So whenever the chef is in there, the sous chef is in charge of the plating, all them nice something. You see me I say? So what's popping now, sous chef? What are you doing right now?
So right now I'm cutting up the sweet pepper. Yes. I'm just following orders, right? So I said cut up the sweet pepper, I'll cut up the sweet pepper, right? That's what's up. Oh yeah, and we have the scallion here. And we have some fresh thyme. People, all fresh ingredients right here. Yes, this is the jungle kitchen. Yeah.
Vibes.
All natural, all fresh.
Old fashioned way seen cardboard. I have no dish towel.
Vibes. Yes, Aki is here.
Like a stoppage.
That's so freaking interesting. So you're putting those things there on either end of the strainer to stop it.
Stop it flow in the water. Then I run off over here. I see like sometimes you tend to pour it. What do you use now? Stop the flow.
People, we're creating a wall.
Yo, that was just epic. Not gonna be the finest strain of coconut, but we don't care. We're out there in the jungle and we make it happen with what we have. Like, yo, if you guys are proud to be Jamaicans like I am, just being here, my energies are just high, just flowing, like flowing richer than the water right now. You didn't even understand. Yo, vibes, so excited. As you might already know, in Jamaica with the rivers, there's a bunch of crayfish usually in there. So what young suds will do at the end of this is just toss all of that coconut trash right into the river, and then the crayfish will start feeding on coconuts, and that's like a great way to like trap crayfish. So maybe at the end we can get some crayfish soup, I don't know, but let's just hope. Coconut milk and flour.
Yeah man, coconut powder. You think when I get coconut today?
Oh my god.
Can't go around with coconut, you know.
Oh my god, this is dope, guys. Oh my god, these dumplings, they're gonna be out of this world. I feel it.
And that's what we call a perfect dough.
Yeah. Where them say, but what about the dumpling? I hate this. Yeah. So today you're making a fried dumpling,
Fried dumpling. Unique version.
Unique version.
Some
So we have some coconut milk in there and
Yeah.
everything. So
it's like a little festival style.
ah,
Festival style, you know?
vibe.
Similar to a festival style.
Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish.
Huh? Yeah. Smaller.
Nice.
Nice. Choo choo choo.
Some fried dumpling, frying up. Oh God, smells so good.
We don't want them burn up. Because this looks like a sous chef responsibility here. Quick, 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 quick.
Saltfish flakes. You know the coconut milk. Bad, you know.
No, this vlog better go viral, you know. Eh? This vlog better go viral. Jungle Kitchen!
That bit afraid of spice.
I remember hearing her on her video.
Right. But today, we're going to give to our
I'll
heart.
top it out. I'll be strong today for the pepper.
So we have scotch bonnet, thyme, some escallion, some onions.
Some sweet pepper. Yep. Just throw in everything, you know. Rest is for the barra. Alright. Smell that. Natural. Sous chef.
Jesus Christ.
Now we start this here for the rescue. Huh? Let's show you something how we deal with it out here.
Oh, we finished.
Man, let's throw your coffee, no man. You take long to fry, no? Come on. Baking powder.
That's how I change color.
Color.
And they're all inside.
We have a style to put it on top of them and then go and soak.
Yes, yes.
Guys, food smells so good. It is, bruh. So me mentioned something like there's a technique to soak the flour dumpling to keep it going
I
same way.
have a body top, I know, man. Put them on top of them, man. You say,
Oh.
just in case, you know, so. Yeah, man. You're Jamaican style. So, my parents, grandparents, they cook and then soak on top. You know, by the time you teeth, they want to pan top, and kind of look cool.
Yo, guys, that technique is ridiculously unique because with the cast iron pot, it keeps the heat so intense. Like you have to be careful with it. So just to make sure.
They are cooked.
My God.
Alright, testing. I'm here for a testing.
Whoa. All right.
Right.
It's a vibes.
It's almost like a dessert.
Yeah. Like you mentioned, it's almost like a festival, but the sugar is light. I know the coconut milk is gonna add a bit of sweetness as well. Bruh. Make another one, please.
Ackee and saltfish, which I never had before. It's cooked. So it's ackee and saltfish rondon. So it's cooked in coconut. And this is my first time ever to try rondon.
Yeah, man, I fish them are going now after this. I take a look.
Season it.
Yeah, man. I season it up now.
So, young stud say don't want it to stay too long.
Yeah, man. I don't want this sweet pepper and cook out too much.
You
see me?
Same in my life, man.
Yeah,
A
man.
little bit of crunch to it.
River kitchen, hot. Hot shit, man. Young Studs family kitchen, you know? Oh, yeah, man. They're nice. Garlic. there. And me. Yeah.
This is hospitality, guys. This is hospitality, you know. Must make sure the guests them
Come on, we have some man.
nice share out and thing.
Man, I'm sure you get some nice shirt, you know, man. Cause we don't know this place already, you know.
Right.
Ackee and saltfish rondon. Never go nowhere else and get this. Alright.
It's definitely a new one for me.
Alright.
That's what we like to hear.
So good.
SD card food. Oh yes. Perfect. Mod vibes.
One more gravy. More gravy, Jesse.
Yeah.
We have gravy for them. Fish them.
So watch out. Banana fork. You know what I say? Coconut hooks. I just improvise, you know? Our fork today, but the studs.
Use a natural thing, I know.
We have to try this food right now. You guys know I'm very serious when it comes down to my food. Look at my plate, yo. So we're gonna try everything right now, and we're gonna tell you exactly what we feel about it. So, alright, the ackee I am intrigued in trying right now. So watch out. I like how the ackee not really too soft. Yeah. Nice. Dumpling is really good. Try the fish. I think I like sir. The fish not too dry, they have a nice amount of moisture to the same way. And the escovitch, I like the little sweet twist to it. All the onion them nice. Yo, it's a vibe. A lot of nice use of natural spices. And the youth cook with a whole heap of love. This what is that? Vibe. Yo, guys, let me tell you, man, that was an experience. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put another video to show you guys how he did the barracuda. And in that video, I will tell you what I thought about the food. Like, was it good or was it not so good? You guys drop in the comments and tell me, guys, what you think. But in the next upload, I'll tell you guys everything about it. Guys, if you know, like, you have an interesting love or passion for food, you're on YouTube and you're going hard, or you're just starting or whatever, this year for me, it's just all about adventure. All the Jamaicans out there that have small YouTube channels or have a passion for cooking or for the outdoors, just know I will find you. Woo.